This is Zack. This is Zack's sister Jess. This is Rags, the dog. Rags, Zack, and Jess are in the garden. I'm hot. Rags starts to bark. Woof! He runs up the garden to the house. This is Zack and Jess's house. Shh! And this is Inky's house. Shh! Now let's answer some questions. What is Zack's sister called? Why does Rags start to bark? Where does Rags run? What do you think? Why does Inky run from Rags? And where do mice live? Think about these questions and answer them. In my next video, I will read the next Jolly Phonic Reader for you, which is Snake.